Meet Tucker. He's your typical all-American rambunctious puppy dog. And that means he gets into a lot of things. A lot of things. Tucker views himself as a Jeep dog, and as such, everything he gets into gets inside the Jeep. Luckily, we have a fix, and that's the Pet Cover by CoverKing. The Pet Cover is quick to install and features 4 quick-release buckles that go around the headrests. Constructed from an extra tough 1680 denier material, it's rip-stop, mud-proof, and water-resistant. And it can be set up with the full rear seat configuration, or by folding it in half, it makes the perfect half seat configuration. And best of all, it is Tucker approved. If you're looking for a way to keep the inside of your 4-wheel drive a little cleaner, hit the description box down below for a link to where you can get a CoverKing pet cover for your off-road vehicle, and then hit up that comment section and tell us about your off-road dog or cat.